right. Christian's here, filling in for Todd. We do things differently, different days of the week, including which side of the desk the weather person stands on. So Christian was just doing a little bit of a scramble.
Oh yes, and I was sitting upstairs. I'm like la-di-da, and the producer Jimmy gets in my ear. He's like, is Christian coming down? I was like, oh right, weather's now.
Wait, I'm Christian. Okay, that would be me. That's me. Yeah,
that is my name. Yes, yeah. But I mean, after a nice weekend, the rain is here.
It is here. It was a wet drive-in. Not so much. It wasn't coming down when I came in, but it was on the roads, and the fog was so thick.
It was really thick
and muggy.
Yeah.
Muggy.
Yeah.
And get used to that because a lot of that this week as well. A lot of humidity and plenty of rain today. Finally, some rain, especially in southern Maine where we really missed out on it last week. We could really use a good soaking. Looks like we're finally going to get that for today. We got this potent cold front approaching from the west, going to bring us showers and thunderstorms all throughout the day today. And it's going to keep us quite muggy as well. Some heavy downpours out there. And it looks like a decent amount of rain as, we got Sharon's mic still up, I believe. But showers and thunderstorms are beginning to approach the state. You can see some pockets of heavy rain moving into southern New Hampshire. This will be moving into Maine very shortly, so that morning commute is going to be quite wet. Could be a little thundery as well. Would not be surprised to hear a few rumbles out there as we head through the morning. So for today, heavy downpours, showers and thunderstorms for the morning commute. That will continue through noontime. May not rain every minute of the morning and into the afternoon, but it will be quite wet with these off and on showers and thunderstorms. The bulk of the activity is in the first half of the day, but still looks pretty wet in the afternoon with lingering showers continuing into the evening. Notice temperatures staying mostly around 75 for the afternoon. Not really the toastiest day, but warm and muggy nonetheless as we head into the afternoon. Western Maine, especially if we break into a little sun before the day is out, could potentially approach the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. But nice to see a rainfall map where almost everybody is getting an inch or more of rainfall. There could even be some pockets of heavy rain where we do get upwards of 2 inches of rain. It will be quite varying from town to town. There may be some spots that are a little disappointed and do get a little bit less just based on the scattered nature of these storms, but a good soaking for most of us. So lots of shower and storm activity for the morning hours. Does look a little less widespread in the afternoon, maybe some breaks in the rain, but still pretty damp out there with a final round of showers and storms pushing through this evening. Things clear out really nicely overnight. Humidity drops. Looks beautiful out there on Tuesday. It's probably the highlight of the week. Lowest humidity of the week with temperatures in the middle 80s, even some upper 80s out there on Tuesday afternoon. We'll enjoy that low humidity Tuesday. Begins to tick up Wednesday. Sticky Wednesday afternoon and on Thursday. Very humid at the end of the week. Tropical feeling. And quite hot as well. We're talking upper 80s and 90s as we head towards the end of the week. If you rode off summer a couple weeks ago and we had that cool, refreshing air and those lows in the 40s, well, you were writing it off prematurely. It's very much a summer forecast this week. Marine forecast, small crafts in place. 3 to 6 foot seas, quite windy out there, and stormy, of course, on the Gulf of Maine. Lots of rain today. Beyond that, we head into tomorrow with low humidity and sunshine. It is hot and humid for the rest of the week. Look at that heat wave criteria potentially near the 90s Thursday through the weekend. Next weekend looks like a full-on summer weekend, upper 80s and 90s. Not quite as hot along the coast, but still very toasty and quite humid. Yeah, beach week, you guys, continues. Love it.
Okay, what summer we're having.
I know, right?
Unbelievable. All right, thank you, sir.